I will give you money. I want to help you. But at the same time, I would want you to use this money well. Yes. Help your son, Nemeka. Just sort yourself, basically, okay? Take.
Sir, thank you. But I cannot accept this, please.
Why?
Sir, I know I need money. And I know I'm desperate, I'm homeless. You know, I'm desperate, I need financial assistance. But my spirit does not accept you. Please, sir, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, but please, I don't need your money. I don't know you too well. I don't know why you're doing this. I don't even know if you're my late husband's friend that I don't know, or his brother sent you to me. I don't know.
No, listen, don't get me wrong, okay? I'm just a businessman and a philanthropist. I help people a lot. I don't like seeing people in pain. You need this money. I know your son's condition. So don't abuse my help, okay? I'm just trying to assist you because of the kind of person I am. So take this money, okay?
Sure, you're a good man, but please, I can't take this. I cannot, please.
Are you a beggar with choice? You need money. Take money now.
Sir, please, I don't need your money. I'll be on my way, please. I don't need your money. People, just carry your money and go. I don't need it.
You want to become the first beggar with choice. Madam!
Son, they are burning your son alive.
Who's
start going? Where? I don't know. Stop asking questions. Oh, yeah. Maraga, okay.
All right,
Taya.
How did you get in here?
You are hurting me. You are breaking my heart. Why are you doing this? Why are you being so quick in forgetting your promises? Why? You are living a great life. You are enjoying the wealth belonging to me, my destiny. Why are you so greedy? Why are you making things so difficult and hard? Why? Men can never be trusted. Okay, Shuku, let me have my golden box.
Juliet, calm down. I know I'm being greedy. It's not easy to return that box. When you get an banana, so please, let's do it this way, okay? I will be giving that woman 2 million naira every month.
I refuse that. You will give her the golden box.
I won't. I won't give it to her.
I thought I could trust you. Now let me have my golden box.
Why are you being stubborn? Why can't you understand me? I can't give it to her. She's not a Gen Z. She doesn't need such money. She doesn't even have steez. So please, let's look for another way out.
If you know who I am, you won't challenge me.
Lele Mambash. Lele Mambash. Who are you? I can't read. Yeah, my friend, come here.
Sir?
Where is the young lady that left the sitting room now?
From this house? No, sorry, sir. No girl come out from this house.
Don't be stupid. Listen, a young girl left me now, like now. Who opened gate for her?
Oh, guys, swear to my living God, wait with me. Nobody don't come out from this house. Now you're there since morning. Small brother, I'm go there upstairs.
Are you sure you did not open this gate for anybody?
Okay, if I open gate, I die. Nobody. This gate never open. Is a person come out from this gate? From this door, I mean. Sorry.
Are you sure about what you just said?
I die if I open this gate.
Come in.
Okay, good afternoon.
What is it?
Okay, get one fine girl with that side gate. Say she wants to see you.
What's her name?
Oh, okay, now some. The girl fine.
That might be Juliet. Let her come.
Okay.
Ruth, I wasn't expecting to see you.
son I have in this world. I don't have anybody. I don't have anybody you want to Nemeka, why are you stealing? Why? What is all this now? What is all this? God, God, I'm tired. Oh God. Hey, hey. Hey, God, it's so me, God. Hey, God. Hey,
Madam, your son had an internal injury.
Huh?
And it also affected his brain.
Jesus!
Jesus, doctor, no. Doctor, no, please. Doctor, you need to help me. Please don't allow my enemies to laugh at me, please. Please.
It's okay, madam, you have to calm down. First, you have to deposit 350,000 naira before we commence proper treatment on him. Please.
Is he getting 350,000 naira?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! Jesus! Doctor, where do I get that kind of money from, doctor? Doctor, please you have to help me. I'm just a poor widow. I don't have any help, doctor, please. Where do I get that kind of money, doctor, please? Okay, I can only get 50,000 naira for now, doctor. Please, I don't want my son to die.
Madam, please, you have to try hard. You have to try harder, please. And besides, this is a private hospital. God, there's nothing I can do about it.
Doctor, please.
I'm so sorry.
Please, doctor. Doctor, please, I don't want my son to die.
Madam, calm down.
Doctor, please. Please help me. Help. Whoa, God, what will I do? 350,000 naira. 350,000 naira. Where do I get it from? Where do I get it from? God. God, where are you? Fiona, Andrew, come and save me. Come and save me. I'm all alone in this world. Come and save me. Nemeka, please. Please. Don't die. Don't die. Don't leave your mother. Nemeka. Timo. God. God, where are you? God, where are you? God. God. Help! God, please help me. Don't let my son die. Don't let anything happen to my son. Help! Help!
Your uncle has traveled to London to go and see his sons. About almost a year now, I think.
Uncle Dennis has gone to London to see his family.
Yes! Uncle Dennis has traveled to London to be with his sons. That is why his house is empty. See, my sister, he has traveled to London. But I don't know if he will come back. Oh. I don't know.
How how do I reach him? Please, can you help me with his contact or any of my nephew's contact? Please, like Namdi and Chooks, please, I need your help right now. Just help me with it.
My dear, I don't have. Honestly, I don't. Since then he's traveled to London. He has never contacted me for once. Honestly, I don't have.
Hi! Chimo, I'm finished. I'm finished.
I thought you were in contact with him.
No, I'm not. I'm not in contact with anybody. Hey, God. Hey, God, I'm finished. Nemeka, my son, no. Hey.
I think you should calm down. Please.
Just tell me to calm down. You have
calm
to
down. Let's hope that one day he will come.
Hey.
So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? You went to your late husband's house and then you found out that it has been sold and you came here to do what?
And action.
Nemeka is dying. Nemeka is dying in the hospital. Nemeka is dying, please. Please help me, Obi. Biko, help me. You're the only one that can come to my rescue. Remember, Nemeka is your favorite nephew. Please don't do this to me, please. You all know that I did not kill my husband. Please, don't allow his only son to die in peace, please.
Let him die.
Please.
Let him die. You alone know who impregnated you. To give back to that crook. Eh? You think we don't know?
Hey, God! I have never cheated on my husband! I love my husband so much! I love him so much! I've never cheated on him! Why would you be saying such a thing? Why?
You love your husband so much.
Yes!
Oh, you think we don't know you killed him, right?
Everything is here.
We know everything. Forget that we're just pretending to flow with you. We know everything. We know you killed him. Eh? Stop all this pretense. I know this crocodile tears.
Why are you wasting your time talking to this woman? Why? When she is done shedding these crocodile tears I see in her eyes, she'll leave. Is it because we are still in the village?
Imagine.
Is it because we are still in the village?
They asked you to take an oath, you refuse.
She refused though.
You refused. Now you're crying.
The wine, this one don't finish.
Nah, babe, bring more wine, I beg.
Ogazi! Ogazi! Please bring more wine, oh! Two bottles. 2 bottles! 2 bottles of wine!
You're disturbing us.
You know that program? That house has started building. Very soon I'm going to complete.
Please, for the last time, help me! Help my son! Nemeka is dying!
I want to see how I can start building another one. I have a land I bought somewhere close to the... So I cast a spell on the boy so that he will continue stealing until they kill him.
Yes. Yes.
You know that if we allow that boy to grow, he might come to fight for his father's property.
You're very right. Yes.
And we will not want that to happen. So that we will continue to enjoy what we are enjoying.
Yeah.
So let him die.
Let him die.
Yes, so that we will know that everything is finally ours. Abi?
Yes. You're very brave. You're correct, Obi.
That is why they call me Obi. Are we going to continue drinking here, or do you want us to go to Madame Ngozi's shop?
Now.
You know that there is this seasoned snail that she makes that is very delicious. Okay, finish up.
Big one.
Finish up. Just go,
Upon everything I want.
I'm okay.
I'm okay. So let's go.
I have no one to speak for me. Not at all. Is this how life is? I am tired of this world. My God, please, fight this battle for me. Don't let me to die in this battle. My enemies are coming with force. Fight for me, don't let me to die in this battle.
70,000 naira, madam. It won't be enough. 70,000 naira, madam. It won't be enough.
Doctor, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. I promise I will run around to get more money. Just accept this one. No. Please.
No, madam. It's just, you can keep your money. It won't be enough.
Doctor, no now. Don't talk like that. Okay, hold it. Let me go and get more money, please. Please, doctor, help me. I don't want anything to happen to my son, please.
Madam, calm down. This is not how we operate here. Once the money is complete, you can bring it. There's nothing I can do, please.
Doctor, please. Please just help me. Doctor, do you want me to die?
I'm sorry, ma'am. There's nothing I can do.
I don't want my son to die. Please. I don't want my son to die. Doctor, please just accept the money.
Madam, put yourself together. I'm sorry.
Hey! God! Doctor, help me. Help me, please. Please, I don't want my son to die, please. Help me, because no. Doctor, please look at me now. Look at me. God have mercy. Do this one for me, please. Heal my son. Just do this one for me. I beg you. God, just do it for me. If you can do this for me, I'll forever praise your name. Thank you, Jesus. Please do it for me. Do it for me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Let me go. Doctor. Let me go. Doctor.
I told you he would take me back. Because he loves me. Okay? Now listen, you wicked and evil friend. Animal. Do not ever in your life, in your entire life, cross my path again. And not even in your wildest imagination. You will ever ruin this found love of mine. I'm still carrying Stanley's baby in my womb. And he still loves me. What does that tell you? Idiot. Foolish animal. Onye ma aka ọfọ n'anya. Okay? Please lock that door for me.
So Kechuku finally accepted her back, even with the pregnancy. Kechuku that I was planning to lure to my bed. Ruth. Ruth, you do this one or you do this one.
The spirit of her grandmother is strongly protecting her. Yes.
That means she lied to me. She told me her grandmother traveled to London.
No, she lied. She lied to you. Her grandmother is dead.
Wise one, not the last time I came here, I transferred money to you. What you were supposed to do did not work. I don't want to go into that, please. Whatever you're doing this time around, make sure it works. She's beginning to threaten my life. She appears everywhere, she visits me, she calls me every now and then.
Get me a woman. I shall use her spirit to fight the spirit of her grandmother. Yes. I need a woman blood. Yes.
Just a woman?
Yes.
Any type of woman?
Get me a woman.
No problem. I will get you a woman before the day runs out.
Be fast about it. Emengwa, Emeyarodachi. Time is running out.
Please help me, please. You're the only one that can come to my rescue, please. I need you now, please, sir.
So now you need me. Why are you begging me? With all your many shakara and your yanga. Eh? So it has finally dawned on you now that I can be your messiah. Eh? You want me to come to your rescue? I have just 20,000 naira here with me, but I can't give it to you. You must give me that thing. That thing. Look, it's staring at me. Give it to me. I don't know. This thing has taken too long. It has taken too long. Just say yes and you have your peace. What are you saying now? Say something now. Huh?
I agree.
Wait. Don't make it look as if I'm actually trying to force you. But I'm happy it's coming out from your mouth now. You said you have agreed. There's no problem. It's long overdue. You shouldn't be going through all of this unnecessary stress. Are you ready for it? Not just saying you have agreed. Are you ready? Say something now.
Yes.
Hey. Let's go. You said you were sleeping in someone else's home.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Go and get your things back to the house. Huh? It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
Life is so simple. It's as simple as this conversation I'm having with you. There is no stress about it. Huh? Why is that today of all day? You and your messes. Why?
I'm sorry.
Hey!
I'm sorry, sir. Don't worry. It will stop by next tomorrow, please.
By next tomorrow, you said?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on to that 20,000 naira I gave to you now.
Okay.
Let me rush down to the bank and get more money so that we can go to the hospital together.
Thank you,
okay?
sir. Thank
I'll
you.
be back now.
I appreciate, sir.
God. I'm finished. Hey! God, my body.
Oh, okay, handsome. Good evening.
Jumwa,
Mm.
you baby.
Yes.
How are you now?
Sweetheart, I'm fine. Thank you. Where are you heading to?
I want to go and eat somewhere cool and expensive. Then
Oh.
head to my friend's place from there. Are you hungry? You can escort me.
Wow, that's nice. But
Come on, have you forgotten who you're talking to? How much is the boutique? I will buy you something along the way.
oh, really? Thank you. Sweetheart, see your nose. I like it.
The great Ikenga. The great Ikenga. Today is a great day. Ekene kekene rekene afọ ekene nkwo. Na si na-eme nwata ka emere ibe ya obi adị ya mma. N'ebe nwata na-ebe akwa alụ aka nne ya nọ ya ma na nne ya na ya. Today, your son Okechukwu have offered you a sacrifice. Agbarụsịa ngene kuru ngene ṅụọ. Na si na mberede nyiri dike mana mberede ka eji ama dike. Alụpụ a na-afọ ndị mmụọ. Nkiri nkiri ka na-ekiri ododo na-eji ododo enyi ozu. Ife agụ ji eme ile dị ya na mbọ. Mana ebube agụ na-eche agụ. Ọdụm na-egbu agụ. Ọlụlụ chụpụrụ ọdụm n'ụlọ. Mkpakara ya ma ọzọ mana ọzọ ya na. N'ife ike nke bụ n'ụdị ka nke ewu dị ka ife dibịa dị kala ofeke. Atụọla ọmalụ ọmalụ. Atụọla ofeke ofe n'isi n'ọfịa.
My love.
No. I know what you want to say. Do you know how painful it is? Knowing fully well that you are carrying another man's child while with me. Do you know how painful that is?
My love, I understand. And I thought we've discussed about this. And you accepted. Please tell me what you want me to do. I will do anything for you.
Nothing. Do nothing.
Baby, I'm sorry. Okay? Please. Baby.
Stop disturbing me now. Let me enjoy this movie. Elicha. This is what they want me to give to someone else. Never. Mame. Never. I'd rather turn to snow than give it out.
So ungrateful, wicked, and selfish. God, I can't even lay my hands on the box. Okay, Shuku, you return this box, but then it will be too late for you. I promise you that. I promise you.
What is going on here? You said I should bring a woman for sacrifice, which I did. So what are you saying? What are you telling me?
I said the sacrifice did not work.
Why? So I killed Uju for nothing? How can a full-grown sacrifice of a human being not work? Why didn't the sacrifice work? Eh?
Do you still need the girl dead or not?
Stop asking me annoying questions. If I don't want Juliet dead, I won't be here. I sacrificed a full human being and you are telling me it did not work? You think it's easy to kill?
Get me a pregnant woman. Bring her alive. Get her for me. That is what the girls demand. Yes.
You must not say whatever the gods demand. Sometimes ask them questions. It's not easy to kill. They're telling me to go and get a pregnant woman as if it's easy. Do you know the risk I take in luring people?
Go and get me a pregnant woman.
Please don't discharge my son this way, please.
Please, I beg in the name of God. The man that was supposed to assist me in paying the medical bills, he died all of a sudden. I don't know. Seriously, I don't know what happened to him. Doctor, please. Please, you have to help me. You have to help me. Hey.
Madam, the management asked you to take your son. He can't just be lying there without adequate attendance. Please, this is beyond my capacity. I'm deeply sorry.
Please, Doctor, be good. Hey! Hey!
Ogene,
How do I look?
you look sweet, simple, and classy.
Really?
Wow. You are the definition of Nyo Dogu.
Aww.
Shall we?
Yes, baby.
Wow.
Yes,
Catwalk to the
baby.
car.
Yes,
My
baby.
wife to be.
Oh, yeah.
My wife to be. Catwalk to the car. Please don't stop. Nyo Dogu.
Yes, baby.
Open the gate.
I am left with nothing upon everything I want all my life. I have no one to speak for me, not at all. Oh, is this how life is? I am tired of this world. My God, please, fight this battle for me. Don't let me to die in this battle. My enemies are coming with force. Fight for me. Don't let me to die in this battle. God, please have mercy on me. let me to die. The battle is too much on me. When I know what I see, I'm one don't let me to die in this battle. Hear my cry, oh Lord. Hear my cry, oh Lord. When I know what I see,
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Sorry. Oh, Chim. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
I've forgiven you now. I've forgiven you. You don't need to start crying now. I've forgiven you. What is it?
Love is true for me.
Look, see, don't worry, you'll be fine. I've forgiven you. Don't worry, I will get the strongest herbalist in this village to treat you, so you'll be fine. Stop crying now. Why are you looking at me like this? You're making me scared though. Mama, it's okay now. Stop crying. Stop crying. You make me cry now. You make me cry. No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, Biko, stop crying. I've forgiven you millions of times. I've forgiven you. Stop crying. Oh, Biko. I've forgiven you. No, don't worry. Let me go and make something for you to eat. Let me make something for you. I'm coming. Just hold on. I will make something nice. Oh, Biko, I'm coming. Stop crying. No, I don't like this thing you're doing. Stop crying.
Mberede nyiri dike mana ọkwa mberede ka eji ama dike na mberede nyiri dike. A sị na ezuo ka ahịrị udene atọtuo ngịga. A sị na udene ebe aja anụ mana atụ aja fụrụ udene ime anyị ife mere n'obe ndị mmụọ. Aka kpala eze ka udene kwuo mmọtiri ọzọ maka na udene ebe ọ na-abụ nnukwu mmanwụ ka alụsị aha na bụ aka na-abakọ eji ebu ya n'isi ha bụ n'ọnụ isi kote bụ ọgba ya isi ebuka na-erie ya agwọ niile ji bụla agwọ ma na-enwere eke nwe ọfịa mkpakara ya ma ụzọ mana ụzọ ya na. I hope you receive the sacrifice. The great Ikenga. Today is a great day. The son of the people have come to offer you a sacrifice. Onye dudo. Onwere ogugu.
Don't worry, I'm going to collect the money from that man. Even if he's a ritualist, I don't mind. I'm very desperate. I need to treat you very well. Oh, well, come and eat. Pap is ready now. Put enough sugar. Amy, Emeka, come now. Come and eat. Emeka. Jesus! Emeka! Jesus! Emeka! Hey! Chima! Mama! Emeka, please have this to me! Emeka, don't do this to me! Emeka, what is it? Emeka, wake up! Emeka, do this to me! Wake up! Emeka, do something! You do it now! Emeka!
God, do this to me! Emeka! Emeka, please wake up! Wake up, don't do this to me! Emeka! Emeka!
Why would you go to beg for bread? Don't you know you're the son of a billionaire? Eh?
Forget it now. Mom, just eat the bread and have your medicine.
And what happened to your leg?
I was playing, I was running, so I don't sleep. But Mom, it's nothing now, it's nothing, I will be fine. Just take your medicine.
Andrew! Andrew! Andrew, see what your brothers and uncles have turned us into! Andrew, look at what they have turned us into!
Okay.
Look at your son is now a beggar, begging for common bread! Common bread, Andrew! Andrew, why did you allow us to pass through this all alone? Don't leave me, I'm watching and I'm tired! I'm tired watching! Andrew! Andrew, what is this? God! This was not the life I planned for! This was not the life I planned for, Andrew! Andrew! Andrew!
It's okay now.
Andrew!
It's okay. Just eat the bread and have your medicine.
Hey! God!
It's okay.
Help! Hi! Goodbye! Goodbye me! Let me go! God! God, please!
Are you tired? Are you tired? You're here. Yes, they are my family members. Any problem? Police catch them. Ask you what? How? Where? Which? Yes, are they okay? Which hospital? I'm coming. Doctor, it sounded urgent on the phone. What is it?
Yeah. I think this is one of the highest things I'm going to tell you.
Doctor, what is it? I'm not a baby. Speak.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We lost them. Yeah. We lost your family.
All of them
gone. Just, you're a man, I know you can take this.
Agreement is agreement. Don't compromise it. I am doing all this out of love. Forget greediness, yo. Onye ma warangi besi boy. Onye ma kami gwagi bajo higi. Forget greediness, no go. One more. Greediness, yeah, has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has led us astray. Onye si sotaru nara, no kundara has destroyed.
Tragedy after tragedy. Tragedy after tragedy. Onye can measure. Onye can measure. Hello, Chigozie, what is it? Okay, Ejike, what is it? What? My office is on fire. What happened? Oh, now? Ha! I'm coming.
Hello, thank God, Oga. Thank God say you pick up. Oga, bad news there, Oga, something down for us today. Oga, this is my room, I just shake, brick. Oga, hear me? Oga, just shake, brick. Yes, sir. As I come out, you come and say house don't collapse. Oga, the building don't fall. As I turn my back, Oga. As I turn my back, my own side where they sleep don't fall. Oga, the cars, everything fall on top of the whole Wi-Fi cars, everything just collapse. Oga, they tell you need to arrest this engineer who built this house. What did this man build for you? What did he build for you? Sir? Oga, don't cut call. Hey, Oga, don't cut call.
Juliet. Please, I'm looking for Juliet. Afternoon. Where is Juliet?
Who are you?
My name is Okechukwu, her friend. Juliet now, she's not that tall, she's not dark. The skinny, fair girl. Just a young girl.
Juliet Ikwa?
Yes, Juliet that stays here.
Hey, Juliet. Juliet died since last year now. She died with her father. And this is her maternal home.
Yes. Maybe you are mistaking her for another person. Juliet, the young girl, she's fair, she's skinny.
Oga, Juliet died since last year. She don't die. She died with her father last year. Sir, any problem?
Yes, the problem is bigger than you.
Hey, problem bigger than me, kwa. Hey.
Emeka, what is this? Huh?
This is my destined world. And with this, you shall find peace. And you can start all over again. We will miss you more.
Emeka, where are you going to? Emeka, I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? Emeka. 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 Emeka.
Nemeka, where are you going to? Nemeka! Nemeka! Oh God! Nemeka! 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 Nemeka, please! No! Nemeka! Jesus! Nemeka! 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 I want Nemeka! 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 Help! Ah! Nemeka! Hey!
Agreement is agreement, don't compromise it. I am doing all this out of love, forget greediness. Oh, you my warranty, Bessie boy. Oh, you my kami kwagi bajogi. Forget greediness, no go. One more. Has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has lead us astray. When you see such a room, no good there has destroyed the world. Love will send a whoever of us, and yet the best in your soul. I want you, don't eat alone. I want you, don't be greedy. And sure you know. And sure you know. See what your greediness has cost you. See what your greediness has cost you. You disappointed me. You caused me pains. Guinea can be again. For this reason, you will suffer. For this reason, you must suffer. You will cry for death. Death will run away from you. You will cry for help. Help will run away from you. You will be more poor. Poverty will be your friend. The cry of innocent will be upon your head. You will look for food. You will not see food to eat. You will look for death. Death will run away from you. I curse you today. I curse you today. Has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has lead us astray. When you see such a room, no good there has destroyed the world. Love will send a self-centeredness, and yet stay best in your soul. Greediness, you are greedy, has destroyed the world. You are selfish, self-centeredness has lead. Agreement is agreement, don't compromise it. I am doing all this this act of love. Forget greediness. Oh, you my warranty, Bessie boy. Oh, you my coming, Gwagi Bajo. Forget greediness, no go. One more. Has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has led us astray. When you see Sotaru, no good has destroyed the world. Love who said that we were robbers, and yet the best in your soul. I warned you, don't eat alone. I warned you, don't be greedy. And sure you know. And sure you know. See what your greediness has cost you. See what your greediness has cost you. You disappointed me, you caused me pains. Guinea come again. For this reason, you will suffer. For this reason, you must suffer. You will cry for death, death will run away from you. You will cry for help, help will run away from you. You will be more poor, poverty will be your friend. The cry of innocent will be upon your head. You will look for food, you will not see food to eat. You will look for death, death will run away from you. I curse you today, I curse you